What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to stop spam on your WordPress website for free, how to set up Akismet WordPress plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with login credentials, okay? After, you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review and focus into the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Now go to the popular tab right here, scroll down just a little bit until you can find Akismet, this guy right here that I'm looking for. You can use the upper right corner of your screen, search plugins field and type Akismet as well. Click on install now. Click on activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins welcome page. Eliminate spam from your website. Machine learning, zero effort, works with popular contact forms, flexible pricing. Let's click on get started. There is a pro plan, a business plan, and the personal plan. I'm gonna choose the personal plan, okay? Because I want to keep all for free. Then there is the rule. You can set as 0, okay? You need to mark these 3 options and continue with personal subscription. We're gonna keep everything for free. I won't cut the video so you can see the whole process, okay? It's simple, but there is some process that you have to pass. Your Akismet API key. Your Akismet API key. Copy the key. Then go back to your WordPress website. Click on manually enter with the key, the button right here, enter the API key and connect with API key. Now your Akismet plugin is working. You can see documentation to enable the plugin to work on Elementor, for example. Show number of approved comments besides each comment author, up to you. Spam filtering, always put spam in spam filter. Privacy, to access, account, you can save change right here. And this is the whole process. You can see graphics according to the spams they receive from time to time, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you go to your contact form plugin, you can explore and manage the documentation. In the case that you want. You can enable Akismet and spam using shortcodes in the case that you want. So let me show you one example. Akismet, it's already active, so no more worries. If you go to the form, you can enable the shortcodes following their documentation, okay? But by default, the plugin will already filter everything that it's possible. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case I don't have any question or need help integrating this plugin with your other plugins. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!